You don't have to be here.
Yes, I do.
My beloved wife, I've missed you terribly. Now, dismount and kneel before me. Surrender your army. Proclaim me the true Lord of Winterfell and Warden of the North. I will pardon these treasonous lords. You don't have the men, and you don't have Winterfell. Get off your horse and kneel. I am a man of mercy.
You're right. Thousands of men don't need to die. Only one of us. You against me.
I keep hearing stories about you, bastard. Maybe you are that good. I don't know if I'd beat you, but I know my army beats yours.
You're going to die tomorrow, Lord Bolt. Sleep well.
In the morning then, bastard.